Children, you must have seen birds flying around your house, isn't it? But do you know their names? No, don't worry. We will learn about their names today. So yes, this is a peacock. Peacock looks very beautiful. And do you know, it is the national bird of India. This is a duck. Duck lives in water. This is a kiwi. Isn't it so cute? Its color is brown. This is a pigeon. You must have seen it around your house. Its color is gray. This is a crow. This is black in color and you must have heard it. It's cow, cow, right? This is a penguin. And do you know, penguin lives in cold place. This is a hen and we get eggs and chicken from hen. This is an eagle and an eagle can fly very high in the sky. This is an ostrich and it is the largest and the heaviest bird. This is an owl and there is an interesting fact about owl that it comes out from its nest only in the night. This is a parrot. Parrot is green in color and parrot likes to eat chili. So I hope that you all are aware with the names of the birds. Thank you, everyone.